lot of different kinds of play. And she goes in. And all of this is normal in the social life of the pack. They're playful, they're establishing dominance, and they stop at a yelp that usually ends it, because that's the puppy or the dog's communication that, uncle, right? I'm saying you win, that hurt, I don't want to be a part of that game. Jeannie, leave it. Good, leave it. Good girl. And I'm out here to say, I think Fiona's had enough of you. Jeannie, leave it. And Fiona's had enough. She did a little yelp. She cried out. And I'm going to be her friend and make sure that she gets a break. Your dog's on a leash. This reactivity that Rio has does pose a risk. Might confuse that dog over there, for example, that doesn't play. I'm not going to play growly games with you. I'm busy working. I have to find a squirrel. And Rio and that dog could end up hurting each other, or Rio would get hurt. So I'm not letting Rio go investigate the Kelpie. It's not the kind of social experience Rio needs. Jeannie, leave it. Jeannie, leave it. And Jeannie's the one that plays all these dominant bullying games, and I just have to put her in my husband's office. She doesn't get to stay out here very much. She needs a lot of supervision, but she's my girl, and she teaches them a lot. She teaches them how to be submissive. She's never hurt anybody. She's just kind of a bully in how she plays with them. But they all love her. They sleep by her. They want to be by her. They follow her around. And yeah, she's a bit of a bully when it comes to the play yard. But Sammy will stand up to her. He'll tell her enough is enough, and that's what he's doing right now. Jeannie, you leave it. Hey, good, leave it. Good girl. I'm saying the game is over.